Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to look at something we can do with like terms. Now, any like terms we can add together to simplify an expression. And that's done to make it easier to do substitution or later in equations, solve those equations. Let's look at A. We have 7b plus 2 plus 3b. Alright? The first stage is to identify if we have some like terms that we can simplify. We don't have any additional constants, so we can't do anything about the 2. And if you remember, a constant is just a term that doesn't have a pronumeral or a letter. Alright, but we do have 7b and 3b, and they're both like terms. Now if we have 7 groups of B and 3 groups of B, that's just going to be 10 groups of B plus our remaining constant at the end. Let's look at B. 12D minus 4D plus D. Alright, this is a like term, right? They both have the pronumeral D. And this also has the pronumeral D, so all of these are like terms, which means we can do 12 groups of D minus 4 groups of D plus 1. So 12 minus 4 is going to be 8, plus 1 is going to be 9 groups of D. Alright, and you can see from this example that if we had to substitute in a value for D, this would be way easier to solve. We would just substitute in the value, times it by 9, and that would be it. Whereas for this one, we'd have to substitute it in 3 times. Okay, in C we have 5 plus 12a plus 4b minus 2 minus 3a. Let's find some like terms. We have a constant here. We also have a constant here. We have an A here and an A here. So we definitely have like terms in the constants and like terms in the A's, but we have nothing for the B. So this guy is going to stay exactly the same in our simplified answer. Right, so let's add everything up. This is going to be equal to 5 minus 2 plus 12a minus 3a plus 4b. All we've done is reorder and essentially pair everything together. Alright, we've paired the constant with the constant, we've paired the a term with the a term, and left the b pronumeral out. When you're doing this, you have to keep the sign, right? Negative signs matter. 5 minus 2 is 3. 12 minus 3 is 9a plus 4b. Alright, it is kind of a mathematical convention to list these in alphabetical order, so it will be 9a plus 4b plus 3 at the end. Alright, let's make some space and let's do the next one. So we have D, which is going to be 13a plus 8b plus 2a minus 5b minus 4a. So we have an A group here and an A group here, including the sign, another A group here, and then we have 2 groups with the same pronumeral B here. So let's simplify this expression. 13a plus 2a minus 4a, we'll do these guys in red, plus 8b minus 5b. Alright, so let's resolve the a's. 13 plus 2 is 15a, minus 4 is going to be 11a. 8b minus 5b is just going to be 3b, so plus 3b. And it's a much simpler expression. Now it only has 2 terms, which is why we do this. If we look at E, we have 12uw plus 7v not UW, it's UV. I'm just gonna get rid of that. It's 12 UV plus 7V minus 3 VU plus 3V. Now with this one they're trying to trick us. We know that UV and VU are the same, right? So we already know that those are like terms, and we know that 3V and 7V are like terms. So in the end, we are left with 12 UV. Remember, you can switch the order in these, plus 3VU plus 7V plus 3V. And remember to keep the sign. I've messed up here, just do the minus. Okay, 12 minus 3, well, that's going to be 9. UV plus 7 plus 3 is 10. 10V. Alright, we're done. So please give the questions on the next slide a go, and I will see you in the next lesson.